What's up, everybody? We are gonna be doing some safe opening on Payday 2. Usually I just do a heist. Like the diamond. I mean, no, I never did the diamond for a video. But whatever, like any heist. So yeah, but instead of all that heisting stuff, we are gonna be opening safes. So yeah, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 safes in total. So 6 Hoxton safes and 1 John Wick safe, which is the newest one. So yeah, let's open this first. Which skin do I want from here? I don't even know. Let's open it. Alright. Oh, yes! Dang it. I got the baby deagle skin. Man, we could have got this epic one. Alright, it looks cool, but I don't have the baby deagle, which sucks. Alright, so I got that. I mean, it was mint condition, so I guess it would be cool. I want to turn up the sound. Yeah. Okay, let's open another Hoxton safe. Oh yes! No! Come on! Dang it! I think I got the laser sport thing. The music is good though. Yeah. Alright, another Hoxton safe. Oh, okay, I failed to open it. Okay. Yeah, let's. Okay, open another one. And then another baby dude, except for staffers. Alright, what are the ones I got so far? I got that one. Okay, another one. I'll open the John Wick safe for last. I don't know if I'll get a legendary, probably not. I get the stuff I don't want. I surely do love safe opening, but yeah, it's like really fun. I want to do it in my own video. No, I want the staff boost one. Whatever, that's good too. Cool. Alright. We're down to 1 Hoxton save. Man, my luck is bad. Alright. The John Wick safe. Let's open that up. Alright. What skin do I want from here? I don't know, just fingers crossed for the legendary. No, we're not gonna get the legendary. Definitely not. And I get the minute arm skin. Alright, my luck was pretty bad here. Alright. Here's the profit that was lost. And actually no, I have to see how much these skins are worth actually, you never know. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you like my videos. Even though I actually enjoyed recording this video, actually I love opening safes. If you want to see another safe opening video, then be sure to tell me in the comments. Man, this was I loved opening these safes. It was actually fun. So yeah, if you want to see another one, be sure to tell me. And yeah, peace.